Ever wondered how many countries there are in the world? Well, there are about 195, and each country has a unique flag. But what do these flags mean? And how did they come about? Let's dive into the fascinating world of flags, shall we? First up, the United Kingdom. The UK's flag, known as the Union Jack, is a combination of 3 different flags. It represents the unity of England, Scotland, and Ireland. The Red Cross of St. George for England, the White X of St. Andrew for Scotland, and the Red X of St. Patrick for Ireland. Together, they create a symbol of unity and strength. Next, let's fly over to Canada. The Canadian flag, with its iconic maple leaf in the center, symbolizes peace, tranquility, and neutrality. The red stripes on either side represent the Atlantic and Pacific Oceans, while the 11 points on the maple leaf signify the number of provinces in Canada. Now, let's whirl over to Japan. The Japanese flag, known as the Nishoki, features a red circle against a white background. This red circle, or sun disk, symbolizes the sun, as Japan is often referred to as the land of the rising sun. And how about the Australian flag? The Southern Cross constellation, the Commonwealth Star, and the Union Jack all come together to form the Australian flag. The Southern Cross, a group of 5 stars, represents the geographical location of Australia in the Southern Hemisphere. Now you must be thinking, flags sure do have a lot of stories to tell. And you're right. They are more than just pieces of fabric. They are symbols of pride, history, and unity. They narrate the tales of nations and the journey they've been through. So, the next time you see a flag, remember, it's not just colors and symbols. It's a story waiting to be told. A story of a country's past, its present, and hopes for the future. And who knows, maybe one day you'll create a flag of your own, telling your own unique story. And that, my friends, wraps up our colorful journey through the world of flags. But remember, we've only scratched the surface. There are still 191 more flags out there, each with its own tale. So why not embark on your own flag-finding adventure? Explore, learn, and let the flags of the world inspire you. Because after all, every flag has a story. What's yours?